Today we are going to see the rights of concubine. What is the legal right of a concubine in India? Almost all over the world, as in India, the status of concubine is one and the same. The concubine has no legal right. Before that, you must know who is the concubine. A concubine is a person who lives with a man without a legal format, without a marriage format, for a continuous period. The period may be short or long, but they are living as a husband and wife without any legal format or any legal matrimonial ceremony or without any legal recognition of the society. So no concubine can claim any right with the person who she lives. She cannot claim the wife status. She cannot claim the property of the person who she lives. Even she bears a child to that person, she is not the wife. She cannot claim the property rights after the death of that person. And what we can say, in future living, after the death of this person, she has no what we can say, any maintenance right from the side of the man. Even when she is living with the person, she cannot claim any legal right, any maintenance for her as a wife, as a concubine. So in India, it is illegal to live with a concubine. If a person have a hurdle to marry a second person in a Hindu Marriage Act or in Christian Marriage Act, in certain laws, a man cannot marry a second wife when a first wife was living. So they can keep a concubine without marrying and without the consent of the first wife. They are going through a family process, having many wives. So, like having many wives, they are keeping concubines. What is the benefit of the concubine? They can cut short the period at any time. If the period may be 2 years or 5 years or 10 years, if it is very strong, it will go up to the death of that person. One major problem regarding the concubines is rising many divorce cases. These concubines want them to be legally married. So they want the first wife to be divorced, and in the place of the first wife, these concubines want to become a legally wedded wife to that person. So in India, rising in divorce cases at now time, after the emergence of IT sector and after the emergence of the financial freedom of women, these things are rising. The divorce cases are rising. The family disputes are rising. And the Law Commission of India want to go to all these problems, to sort out all these problems. Now the court only has a Lok Adalat and the mediation and conciliation as the source, but it is not the real source to solve all these problems. Behind that, the Law Commission of India, hearing all the opinion all over India, from all over courts in India, and from advocates, and from women's welfare organization, and to the people, it should frame a law to curb the rise of the divorce cases on the ground of the pressure from concubines. And these things, the government should be very careful. Mere cohabitation or negotiation for a marriage is not a marriage. Many judgments says for a long-standing matrimonial life as a husband and wife, or recognized as husband and wife. But actually, mere cohabitation or negotiation for a marriage is not a marriage. If there is a wife is alive and mere habitation or with another woman as a concubine will not give a wife status. So, Indian community clearly says that marriage in accordance with the custom of the community has to be conducted. Unless it is proved, there is no valid form of marriage. Once a person undergoes a valid marriage, then she can claim the wife status. If not, the person are living as husband and wife, then it is a concubine. Concubine may covered under Domestic Violence Act. They have all the protection under Domestic Violence Act. When they are living in a same household, under the same roof. So they have the protection under Domestic Violence Act. But they cannot claim any rights under Hindu Marriage Act or Indian Divorce Act or Special Marriage Act or any other marriage laws.